Guten Tag, ihr Leid.
Of course.
Weiter geht's mit Kuhgetricke. Holla, genau so macht man Dio-Feuer, ja ganz klar, ne? Mit The Wolf Among Us. 5. Episode, letzte Episode. Und das ist die 2. Folge. Ich guck mich hier mal ein bisschen um. Wir sind auf dem Weg zum krummen Mann.
So
Das ist
this is
zumindest
where they've
nur
been sending these.
sein Zeichen. Der Schatten ist interessant in der Mann. Was steht da? Shepard Metalworks. Okay, dann ist er dann da hin. Okay. Bewegungsmelder oder was?
Bigby Wolf.
Bloody Mary.
The big bad wolf.
Okay, also ich muss mal merken. Bloody Mary kann sich durch jede spiegelnde Oberfläche teleportieren oder durchsteigen. Was ist denn das hier? Okay. Rad.
You used to be something.
Ich habe immer noch einen Ruf. Aber na scheiße ist. Sie ist also das, wo die ganze Zeit die Fotos gemacht hat. Wahrscheinlich ja die
They
vom
used to fear you.
Crane.
They'd hide anywhere their small shivering bodies would fit.
Oh, das ist das Rad, wo sie drüber gesprochen haben. Um Menschen drauf gespannt wäre. Um ihnen die Knochen zu brechen. Was ist da das Icon, was die da haben. Also was der krumme Mann hat. Gibt's nichts mehr? Ich muss da rein. Okay. Wo ist er? Der hat irgendwas geschmolzen. Okay. So macht sie die silberne Kuchle. Das Einzige, was mich richtig verletzen kann.
Silver.
The big bad wolf.
Gucken die jetzt her?
It's about time you showed up.
I had to take care of some things first.
Little errand boy. That's nice.
Ah, Bigby. I see you made it here in one piece. I do apologize, but I have some business to attend to. I leave you in the capable hands of my associate. Come find me when you've finished, dear.
Don't worry. This won't take long.
Get out of my way now. Don't make this worse.
Aw, he doesn't want to play.
I'm sure you'll persuade him.
Hey, I'm talking to you.
Didn't your mother ever teach you manners? Or was she too busy fucking whatever breeze drifted through town? Oh, come on! Is that the best you can do?
Wo ist die hin? Ich sehe hier nirgends eine glänzende Fläche oder so. Die ist irgendwo von der Evil Kum oder? Wie zur Hölle? Also, ja, du warst zuletzt, zuerst, dann Nimi, dann war sie oben, aber keine Ahnung. scheint. Ach komm. Ein bisschen heiße Luft wird jetzt nicht gerade irgendwie. Ja. Alter, der war gemein. Der war gemein. Können Wölfe eigentlich im Dunkeln sehen? Nee, oder? Okay, ich muss hier weitergehen. Kommt bestimmt gleich von rechts. Pass auf. Alter. Geblockt. Geblockt, Junge. Geblockt. Naja, irgendwie
Where are you?
bringt es aber nicht so viel.
Come out and face me!
So. Bloody Mary. Alter, egal, ne? So, alles, was du berührst, schneidest du dich quasi. Ah! Okay. Jetzt sind wir beide unter. Super gemacht. Okay. Okay. Jetzt aber. Wo ist jetzt schon wieder hin? Sie spielt aber nur mit mir, ne? Die hat noch Silberkuchle. Ey, wie soll ich denn das machen, Mann? 10.000 oder was? Aber ich Annie kommt die nächste, die kennt da alle auf mich drauf. Alter. Okay, ich muss irgendwie. Gibt's so vielleicht ein Hauptdingens oder sowas? Okay, das sieht nicht gut aus. Alter. Was ist das? Meine wahre Gestalt. Wie die Scherbe von dem Spichel halt. Durch eine zerbrechen und wenn sie nur noch mehr. Ach so, stimmt, der kann ja nur sein Supermove. Kann der ganze Heiler wegblosen kann. Okay, das ist natürlich schlau, ne? Okay. Ich glaube, das war's mit Bloody Mary. sehr, sehr schöner Werwolf-Trope. Also, hoffentlich hat er keine Hose an. Oder es findet bestimmt irgendwo ein paar Hose. Oh, achso, er hat vorhin seine Hose ausgezogen. Ah, nicht schlecht. Okay. So ist er, Kollege. Er wartet sogar auf uns, ne?
Hello, Bigby. You look tired.
Give me one good reason not to rip you apart right
Yep,
now.
und das muss verdammt... Oh shit,
This
er hat
gun
verdammt
holds
guter
6
Grund.
rounds. I won't miss next time. Before you do anything with
okay.
me, I thought I should point out a few things. Snow White wants you to bring me back to the woodlands, doesn't she? And that's
Yep.
what I want.
Snow's not here. You're dealing with me now.
That may be true, but I'd advise against defying your new boss, at least for the time being. You will bring me back alive. Look, all I ask for is the chance to speak for myself in front of the community. And I'm sure Miss White would agree that I should be given a fair trial. Can we at least agree on that? I will have a trial.
The whole town will be calling for your execution.
Warum will der...
Why would you
ne?
want me to bring you back there?
Why don't you let me worry about that? Look, there's no reason for us to be at each other's throats here.
That's funny, coming from a guy pointing a gun at my head.
This is just a precaution. I'm sure you understand. I'm no murderer, Mr. Wolf. I didn't kill those women. And I think you know that.
Ja,
All I'm
aber du
asking
warst der
for is a
Auftraggeber.
chance to explain my side of the story.
If you're not a killer, then what are you?
I'm a businessman, not a killer.
There's still a lot you have to answer for.
And I will, as long as you agree to my terms. Because I'm not saying another word until I'm brought before the community. And I don't think I'm being unreasonable. If you decide to do something stupid, like murder me, you won't get your answers. But you will have a difficult time explaining yourself to Miss White and the rest of this miserable town. You're often reckless, and I worry you're not thinking of the... Let me ask you an honest question. What do you really care about here? Where this case is concerned, I mean. Do you really want the truth? Or do you just want to look like the hero? Because those are two very different things. You're smart, I'll admit that. So what I just don't understand is why you're here. I mean, you want to catch your killer, right? Georgie.
Georgie kann man nämlich fangen.
He's dead, isn't he?
Yep.
My point being, the killer has been dealt with. You've won.
You really think I'm that stupid?
I understand you have an obligation to bring me in, but you can brighten up a little. It's over. So, shall we get going? I'd rather not dawdle. You know, I'm actually looking forward to seeing Miss White again.
Oh, I don't think so. We're not doing this your way.
How unfortunate. I was hoping we could make this work. What are you gonna do now? Rip me apart like some kind of animal?
Vielleicht.
Killing me here would achieve nothing. And what would Miss White think? You show up with nothing but a corpse. No answers, no... You'll never know the truth.
Mir ist die Wahrheit scheißegal. Ich
You're
will
under
einfach nur,
arrest. You'll be given a trial in front of your peers.
dass er...
And your punishment will follow.
Mann, ey. Zwischen die Finger gejuckt hat.
I know. But we have to do something. Are you fucking kidding me?
When is this thing happening?
Witching Well
sure
Chamber,
he's
the
coming?
Woodland Building.
Yes, you'll have an opportunity to.
Witching Well heißt nicht Wishing Well? Okay.
He's back.
The Crooked Man.
Thank God.
Motherfucker.
Are you okay?
Nee, ich bin
It's
nicht
been
okay.
hours. We were worried you'd run into some trouble. At the Crooked Man's place.
What? Don't I look okay?
I guess you've been worse. You did well, Sheriff. I'm surprised. Not that you did well, but that, you know...
Dass ich nicht umgebrungen
glad you
habe.
made it back in one piece.
Er hat's mir wirklich nicht leicht gemacht.
It's about time you showed up. Now throw this asshole down the fucking well.
Yes, what are you waiting for?
You killed Lily!
She was my sister.
Could
What do
you?
you have to say for
Where the
yourself?
fuck do you get
Those
off?
poor
You
girls.
think you have the right
And
to
what
just
about
do this
Faith?
to
What could
people?
they have
You're a
done to
fucking
deserve
crook!
This. You should be ashamed.
Shithole.
Everyone, can I have your attention? Thank you all for coming here on such short notice. I know normally we'd schedule a formal hearing, but considering the circumstances, I thought it best if we do this as soon as possible. The Crooked Man is charged with the murder
As
of
I
Faith
already
and...
informed your sheriff, it was Mr. Georgie Porgy who killed those women, not me.
What? It was Georgie?
Georgie.
Georgie may have killed them, but you made the call.
Do I have to explain the situation to you again?
Wait a minute. So you're saying Georgie's the motherfucker who killed my sister? Well, where is he?
Yeah, you're gonna bring that shithead in too, aren't you?
Yes, Sheriff. Where is that rotten scoundrel now?
Is he still out there?
I sincerely hope not.
Well, where is he?
Sheriff?
Georgie was a victim of this psycho, too. He was pushed into the whole thing and now he's dead.
He's... what?
Dead. So you see, the culprit has been punished. There's no
That
need
doesn't
for
change
this.
anything. We'll
Wow.
deal with it
Danke.
later, but right now you're the one I'm
Danke.
concerned with.
You called the shots. Georgie made that perfectly clear.
In which case, you still have a lot to answer for.
I
And
was
I
told
don't...
I would be allowed to speak.
We have to read the rest of the charges.
What other charges?
Let her finish. Then you can have your say.
Got it?
If you insist.
You are charged with the murder of Faith and Lily, which Georgie carried out on your order, inciting violence against various members of the Fabletown community, including the attempted murder of Sheriff Bigby Wolf,
Twice.
A misunderstanding.
aiding and providing monetary support for the forced prostitution at the Pudding and Pie. Additionally, you are charged with multiple counts of fraud, extortion, racketeering, and the illegal possession and sale of magical artifacts.
And resisting arrest.
Oh, yes. Now, is there anything you would like to say?
First of all, I had nothing to do with Faith and Lily, so you can strike that one from your little record book.
Bullshit! Like hell you didn't.
Stop the charade. We know you're
Come on,
involved.
it's obvious.
And there's all the other crap he's done.
I know you're responsible. You've been behind all of this from the beginning. So cut the shit.
We all know who you are. We know what you've
Just
done.
give it up already.
The Crooked Man has committed crimes against this government and, most importantly, its citizens.
Wieso ist denn der Blaubart so
These
still?
charges, if proven, are enough to justify death, upon which your body will be committed to the witching
Where it
well.
fucking belongs.
That's
So
right.
let's get
But
on
we
with it
promised
then.
you a chance to defend yourself, and I won't rob you of that right.
What the
You're
fuck?
really going
This
to
is
let him
about
talk?
justice. If we're ever going to pull ourselves together and
Ey,
make something of this
warum
town,
hab ich ne
we
wohl
have
hier
to start
geschläft?
doing
Genau
things correctly.
deshalb.
No more snap
Wie Schumo
judgments, no
gesagt
more
hab.
secrets. We are going to treat
kannst
everyone fairly,
mit Angst
even when they don't deserve it.
Herrsche, sage ich jetzt mal, oder halt eine Stadt führe. Oder halt mit
This is
Respekt.
ridiculous.
Respekt ist deutlich schwerer zu erlangen.
You have the floor.
Und wann es nur
Thank
ist,
you, Miss White. You've all met Georgie. I don't have to tell you what kind of person he was. He was a total scoundrel, lacking in any sort of moral fiber. I hired him as a favor to his family, you see. A promise kept to a dying mother.
Oh,
Are you
jeez.
gonna get to your point or what?
Georgie was working for me, yes. But he was not acting on my behalf when he killed those women. It was his business. And for whatever reason, I'm sure only he could understand, he murdered 2 of his most faithful employees. I had nothing to do with it.
Tell
This
the
is such
fucking
bullshit.
truth for
He's
once.
always been a bit of a powder keg. It was only a matter of time before something like this happened. Maybe I should have kept an eye on him. But can you really blame me for what happened?
Of course we can. Any of you actually believe this bullshit?
Holly, please.
Tell them, Bigby. When you finally showed up at my door last night, wasn't I more than helpful?
Was hat das jetzt so
I
damit
answered
zu
your
tun?
questions. I was willing to cooperate.
Ja, es war
You weren't
Falle,
being
ne?
helpful. You were trying to set me up. Your people tried to kill me.
Das
They
war bestimmt
get
ein
a bit
Missverständnis,
carried
oder?
away
Ja,
sometimes,
klar.
It's true. Loyal to the end. They do it because they want to protect me. as I protected them. You understand wanting to protect what you care about, don't you? You'd do anything. You might even give up an innocent man, just to save someone.
Yeah, right. They don't do it because they want to protect you. You intimidate people, use scare tactics. They're afraid if they don't follow orders, they'll end up dead.
Let me explain this to you. My employees are just that, hired help. I see some of them are here among you.
Mir gefällt
They
Blaubart
are
Dorine
not
nicht.
my slaves. They are all free to make their own decisions, as Georgie was.
What about Lily? She wasn't free. She wasn't given a choice. Do you really think she wanted... that any of those girls wanted their lives like that?
I'm sorry, Holly. I'm sorry that your sister asked me for help, and I'm sorry that I decided against my better judgment to give her a distasteful job.
Right, and you kept them in debt so they couldn't leave.
Yeah. That's what you did to us. How you kept us all
You
in
forget
line.
it was not me who put you in that position. You all act like I'm some kind of tyrant. When your government abandoned you, left you poor and helpless, sniveling on street corners, I was there to look out for you.
Yes, but...
Wasn't I?
You're the fucking problem here, not us.
Really? What about Auntie Greenleaf? Her story is not uncommon. She left everything she had back in the homelands. Everything that mattered, anyway. With nowhere else to turn, she came to me for help. And what did I do for you?
You got my tree back.
I got her tree back, and in turn we used her magic to help poor Fables get glamours. Because I helped her, she was able to make a living, provide for herself. And what did they do?
She wanted my tree destroyed, but Bigby refused.
What?
You were gonna burn her tree? Snow, why would you want that?
Is that true?
Snow?
I know what you're doing, and it's not gonna work. You can't manipulate us or these people. We're not here to talk about this.
not?
Bigby just
This
means
is important, and I'm glad it's being talked about.
You know why I asked him to destroy your tree. You were working with Crane and the Crooked Man.
It wasn't her fault.
You can lie to yourself, but you can't lie to me. You hated Crane, and you hated him for wanting to fuck you, and you being too soft to notice what he'd do to get it. It had nothing to do with the Crooked Man.
We've made some mistakes. I've made some mistakes. But believe me, I truly want what's best for this town. And that may not always be clear right away. But I want you all to know that I care deeply about all of you. And so does the sheriff.
Yeah, right.
I can't promise you perfection. No one can. But I can promise to always have your best interests at heart.
Maybe you haven't noticed, but we've been doing all this to protect you. We're trying to stop people like him.
The Crooked Man's been exploiting you. Exploiting your hope for a better life. You would go to him for help, and he would take that weakness and add it to his strength.
Do you really think the Crooked Man cared about you? He just cared about your money. He cares about your obedience.
They're right.
You're all still afraid of him, even now. But you needn't be. His contamination of this town is over, and those girls will have their justice.
Okay. Hat alle Gäche sich. Was kommt
Very
jetzt?
good, very good. The sentiment is surely appreciated, Miss White. But it doesn't disguise the fact that these accusations are completely unfounded. The sheriff simply doesn't have a particle of evidence linking me to the...
Georgie was working for you. Bigby got a
A
confession
confession that nobody heard.
Yeah.
Now, I'm no barrister, but I think such a statement would carry more weight if Bigby weren't the only one to whom Georgie spoke. Especially given Bigby's history.
What are you talking about?
Snow?
And what about your history? All you've done to this fucking town?
What do you mean there's no evidence?
Maybe he's... I mean, this doesn't feel right, how we're doing this. I just
Of
need...
course it's right. This man tormented all of you for profit. Georgie
Let me
killed
just
him.
make sure I understand you. You're trying to say that I'm responsible for what Georgie did because he was working for me at the time, yes?
Yes.
Of course! Where are you going with this?
Well, by that logic, Miss White should be on trial for Tweedledum's murder, since you know Bigby works for her.
That's...
He killed a man,
That don't make him a murderer.
doesn't it?
What happened with Tweedledum wasn't
Shit.
Snow's fault.
Jetzt habe ich...
If you all want to blame someone, blame me. She had nothing to do with it.
Bigby
Ja,
and I
und
have already
genauso
discussed his behavior that night. We're
konnte man
handling
jetzt
it
Georgie
I
internally.
heard that
beschuldigen.
before. How about the way he treated poor Tweedledee when he was in your custody? He was
Ich?
beaten to mashed apples while under your
Hab ich
watch.
nicht.
Under my
Das war
watch.
Blaubart.
Maybe he's right.
Did you think we'd all just let that go?
That was Bluebeard, not me.
He was a murder suspect.
Besides, Crane was still deputy mayor when that happened. Right before you decided to kidnap him.
It was for his own protection. Oh, you're right, dear. Crane was in charge. Sometimes it's hard to tell the difference.
That's enough.
So, you won't answer for your employees' behavior, but I must perish for
This
mine.
is completely different.
I
We all...
did not order those two girls dead. It simply never happened. Georgie killed Faith and Lily. End of story. They want to scapegoat me for their own tangled ends, but they refuse to answer for their own
This
crimes.
isn't right.
Oh, please.
This isn't the point.
We'll deal with them after we deal with you.
Listen, I
The
know...
laws apply when we need them.
Everyone just shut the fuck
I
up.
mean, a certain level of privilege should be afforded to...
To who?
This is how it's always
Yes. See, this is exactly to what I'm speaking. We lashed our ropes to this diseased world, and ever since, which one of us has been there for you? Who filled your lives with the promise of more? Who was there while they idly played in their towers, judging you, treating you as mindless children, too stupid to command your own destiny? Without me, who will pay your rent when you're on the verge of eviction? Who will dare challenge their brutality when it leaks to our dear citizens? Who will protect you from the big bad wolf? Who will be the...
Bigby? Miss White!
Excuse me, dear.
Das war jetzt
I
noch
wanted
das
to make
Halsband
sure
da.
I had the chance to say something.
Why don't you take a moment to catch your breath, little
What's
one?
she doing here?
I'd like to... I need to say something.
We're kind of in the middle of something.
Bluebeard.
Of course. Go right ahead.
You probably don't remember me. I don't know why I was afraid to come
My
here.
dear, I don't
Just
know what
shut up. You enslaved us for years. Let us hear stories about what you do. Told us we would lose everything if we stepped just one toe out of line. And we couldn't say a word about it because of these damn ribbons. But you know what? Now it's my turn to talk.
How are you?
I found Vivian's body. Did you kill her? Did he?
Sheriff, this is highly irregular.
Be quiet.
We need to establish some order here.
Vivian wanted you freed from the ribbons. She took her own life.
I'm sorry, I don't think I know
Nerissa!
your-
My name is Nerissa.
It's okay, my dear. It's going to be just...
He ordered them dead. This fucker. Faith and Lily.
That's a lie.
I was in the goddamn room when he did it. Faith and Lily are dead because of you. The only two people who ever gave a damn about me.
We know what happened.
He made Georgie do it. It was always him. Georgie would have never done anything without his say-so. Ever.
You're going to take the word of a stupid...
At least 5 other girls will back me up on this. We all heard you say it.
Did you now?
Looks like we found our evidence.
She saw it firsthand.
He's guilty.
Good enough for me.
Me too.
So that's it, right?
Calm down the witching well.
No, that's too fucking easy for a crook like that.
What do you mean?
He's gotta pay for what he did.
Listen to yourselves!
You're all rats, fleeing from one sinking ship to the next. So quick to latch onto whatever will keep your miserable lives afloat. This is how you want to repay all I've done for you.
What, you take 2 people's lives away and now you want mercy?
You're done talking, crooked man. You had your chance.
Well done, then.
Now, for your sentence.
We don't have to become murderers.
What are you talking about?
He's guilty. I know that, but we don't have to kill anybody. We can imprison him. Lock him up forever. Somewhere he can never hurt anyone again.
How can we be sure he won't escape?
I can help. We'll use magic.
That's
I
not
assure
good
you.
enough.
Maybe
There will
she
be
has
more
a point.
if he isn't
Hasn't
stopped.
there been
I
enough
don't care.
bloodshed
So we
already?
get rid
It's
of
too
him.
dangerous.
Get him out of here.
We can send him
Everyone,
away.
listen up! Clearly, we're having trouble agreeing on a suitable punishment. So I think
This is going nowhere.
someone needs to make a decision.
Who?
I hope you aren't suggesting yourself.
We should have a vote. Make it democratic.
Do you really think that's going to work?
He's right. Nobody can agree on anything.
What about Bigby?
What
Wieso
about
Big
him?
B?
He was appointed. He's the only official representative, really. He should be the judge.
That makes sense to me.
I guess it does.
Okay.
Fine. Are you sure? This isn't how
It's
it's...
what the
Okay.
people want, Miss White.
Okay.
Das Ding ist,
Mr.
war mal eine
Wolf,
Innsperre.
It's your call.
Snow.
Just
War mal eine
Do what you
Innsperre
think is
und
right.
die Hexe tut's verzaubere. Was passiert, wenn die Hexe stirbt?
Yes, Sheriff. Do what you think is right.
Teach him a fucking lesson.
No.
Reißen den
He has
Kopf
to
bis
die.
We
drauf.
can lock him
Just
away.
fucking get rid of him.
Ich werfe ihn in die Brunnen.
Everyone, I'm...
Not this way.
Und tschüss.
There you are. I hope you all remember this moment. Think of me when you try to sleep.
Finish it,
Tschüss.
Sheriff.
You're going to miss me.
No, I won't.
Wir hätten eine Innsperre kennen. Dann wäre er durch Zauber
For Lily. And Faith.
nämlich rauskommen. Was passiert, wenn die Hexe aber stirbt?
Yes.
Sei
Another
Fuzis
one of
rennen
us
immer noch
to
draus
erase
rum, ein
from
paar.
the books.
Die Woodland Luxus Apartments. Einen Tag später. Kabing.
Hey, Sheriff. Are you gonna come see
Hey,
the truck off?
Flycatcher.
We're leaving for the farm in a few. Thought you might want to. I don't know.
I'll be down in a minute.
Okay, great.
This fucking line.
Oh, Mr. Wolf, Flycatcher left his keys.
Is everything okay? You look...
I'm sorry, Sheriff. I have to take care of this. We'll talk later, okay?
Good morning, Miss White.
You're late.
Someone's gonna see you, Colin.
Es ist ihm gerade Geschiss. Hey, der Kerl, ey. Oder redet er nicht mit? Welche mit so einem Laster oder sowas?
Jesus.
Hätten sie nicht wenigstens einen Bus oder sowas?
We only have like 5 minutes.
Carry me, for fuck's sake! I don't give a shit! You forgot these.
Oh, thank you. It's been pretty busy around here.
Morning, Sheriff. Nice fucking day. Shit!
Just go grab that, would you?
Ey,
Sorry about all this. I know this isn't your ideal situation here.
Wait! Sheriff Bigby! I have something.
You know, he was up crying all night, poor kid.
Can you give this to Miss White, please? Dad says there's no time to say goodbye, so if you could bring it to her?
Yeah, sure.
I couldn't take them all with me, and she said she liked that one the best. It's a willow beetle. That's a big one. They're cool, because when they're little, they have these pouches that squirt juice at you if you touch them.
okay.
She said it was pretty.
We're about ready to head out.
What's it like at the farm? I've heard ogres live there, and they eat people in their sleep sometimes.
God, I hope not.
Do we have to go? I want to stay here.
Well, we don't have a choice anymore.
I'm sorry, TJ, but look on the bright side, okay? There's plenty of space to run around, and a nice river nearby, so you can swim all you want.
Even in daytime?
Yep,
You
selbst
don't
am
have to
da.
worry about the Mundies seeing you. It'll be nice. Come on, it won't be so bad.
Have you been there before?
No, some of the animals aren't comfortable around wolves.
So you wouldn't know, would you?
We're all set.
Bye, Mr. Wolf.
Tschüss,
Goodbye,
TJ.
TJ.
Hey, Bigby. Where's your friend, Colin? Where's the fucking pig?
How should I know?
Saying goodbye?
Ja.
Hi.
Hi.
Still
Wieso?
wearing that thing.
Oh,
Genau, das wollte ich gerade froh. Ja.
I guess I am.
Warum
It's not
hat sie
easy
Schirm
to
dabei?
forget. I know it seems like I should be able to. It's just...
Let me help you.
Bigby, I know you're trying to help, but this is just something I need to do on my own, okay?
Okay.
Listen, I came here because I have to tell you something.
What is it?
It's about what happened to Faith and Lily. I'm not sure where to start. Faith, Lily, and I, we had this plan. We were gonna find a way out. Leave the pudding and pie for good. But then Faith decided to get some leverage. She stole a picture of Crane and Lily together. The minute Faith stole that photo, we had dirt on one of the Crooked Man's allies. If he found out, I had no choice. You have to understand. You've seen how they kept us quiet in that place. Can you imagine the
Ja,
lengths
hopp,
they go
es-
just to silence someone who had physical evidence?
Ab.
It's
Zu
okay.
spät.
Just calm
Ist okay.
down.
I freaked out, okay? I thought if I came clean to Georgie, he'd get the Crooked Man to leave us alone. We could just forget the whole thing. Maybe try again in a few years.
You what?
So I told him everything. And I begged for mercy for all of us. I didn't want anyone to die over a picture.
Georgie didn't do mercy. You know that.
He could have been reasoned with. I was counting on that. Georgie promised he'd smooth things over with the Crooked Man. But then... Oh, God.
Here.
Thank you. I don't know what happened, but that night at the club, Georgie came back and told me things had changed. He had to make an example of us. We had committed treason. And while the two of us were sitting there, as he was telling me this, Faith walked in, and I had to watch while Georgie...
Wait. So Georgie told you all this? Not the Crooked Man? Back at the well, you said...
I know what I said.
But it wasn't the truth, was it?
What does it matter? I know the Crooked Man did it. So what if it wasn't the whole truth? It was true enough. I know he ordered their deaths. I wasn't gonna let him get away with it because of a stupid technicality. Especially after... that night, after Faith. I tried to warn Lily, but she wasn't with her scheduled appointment. So I did the only thing I could do. I left Faith's head at your doorstep.
Sie war das?
You?
I walked her over here, and I left her. Just hoping that maybe if I couldn't save them...
So, that piece of fabric I found near there, that was you?
Yeah. I cut my leg trying to get over the fence.
So you started all this?
I just pointed you in the right direction. People like us get forgotten all the time. The Crooked Man was counting on that. When we suffer, we do it in silence. And the world likes it that way. We just fade, like we never existed. I couldn't watch that happen to Faith, or Lily. Nobody cares about us. Not really.
That's not true.
It is. You've just never seen it before. But now you have. You'll make things right. You and Snow.
I don't know. Seems like no matter what I do, it's just not enough for her, or anyone. I just can't win with these people.
I know it might feel that way, but they need you, Bigby. Both of you. You two make a good team. The way you look out for each other, and look out for us. You don't see that a lot these days.
I don't really know where we stand anymore. Things are just... different.
Huh. Things are always different. Look, Bigby. After everything you've done for us, maybe they don't want to admit it, but without you, none of this would have happened. You listened when no one else would. You protected your friends, no matter the cost. And you brought justice to this town. Finally. Because you brought the Crooked Man in, everyone saw who he really was. So from where I'm standing, you did the right thing. You've been given this job for a reason. And I left Faith at your doorstep because I knew if anyone stood a chance against the Crooked Man, it was you.
I've been making a lot of mistakes lately.
But you've also done a lot of good. Don't forget that. You've changed this place. For better or worse, Fabletown wouldn't be the same without you. You're not as bad as everyone says you are.
I need to tell you something.
Warum hat eine Meerjungfrau, warum läuft die Meerjungfrau im Rennen mit dem Rennschirm rum?
Trying to place me. You like my ribbon? Do you like it?
Faith wore one too. Would hide her beauty so she could escape his kingdom.
They used to call me the Little Mermaid.
Dr. Swinehart ever get back to you about Faith?
He said he wanted to run more tests. I hope you find what you're looking for. I'll see you around, Wolf.
Okay. Das war The Wolf Among Us. Weiter geht's mit der Spielentscheidungen. Gucken wir mal, was wir so getrippern. Was hast du mit Georgie gemacht? Du und 68,6% der Spieler haben Georgie getötet. Interessant. Ich hätte jetzt gedacht, dass. Also ich finde das Töte als ein Akt der Gnade, sozusagen, ne? Ich hätte. Okay, ja. Doch. Nee. Okay. Komm mal her, wieso geht es so nicht runter? So. Hast du den krummen Mann einen Prozess gewährt? Du, 89,6% der Spieler haben dem krummen Mann Leben zurückgebracht. Wie hast du den krummen Mann bestraft? Du und 38,6% der Spieler haben den krummen Mann in den verwunschenen Brunnen geworfen. Was haben die anderen gemacht? In die Knast gesteckt oder was? Hast du TJs Geschenk für Snow angenommen? Du und 98,5% der Spieler haben sich entschieden, TJs Geschenk für Snow anzunehmen. Nur 98,5%. Wer sind die restlichen 1,5%? Das sind böse Menschen. Wie lauteten deine letzten Worte an Nerissa? Du, 29% der Spieler sagten, ich habe viele Fehler gemacht. Okay. Dann war es das mit den Spielentscheidungen. Komm, ich laber noch ein bisschen. Und dann tue ich während dem Labere das Outro quasi laven oder der Abspann, sowas. Also zuallererst mal, das ist so ein bisschen für mich der Beweis, dass ich nicht alt bin. Nee, weil die ganze Quicktime-Events, also Tastentricke und so, die haben recht gut geklappt. Während es in Jurassic Park überhaupt nicht gut geklappt haben, falls ihr euch daran erinnert. Jurassic Park war ein Telltale-Spiel, falls ihr das nicht bemerkt habt. Und, Alter, da war das war so verkackt eng, das Zeitfenster. Du hast halt wirklich zum Großteil auswendig lernen gemisst. Vielleicht war noch Delay drin oder was weiß ich was. Es war eine wahre Qual. Es war richtig schlimm. Und deshalb, das hier ist Gang. Was habe ich von Telltale bisher noch gespielt? Ich glaube, die erste Episode von Walking Dead, glaube ich, ging, glaube ich, soweit ich mich erinnere. Naja, so, ich lasse mal hier das da zumachen. Und was denn hier? Sonderstatistik? Beast. Du hast ihn geschlagen, während er am Boden lag. Blaubart, du hast nach der Befragung mit ihm gekämpft. Colin, du hast ihm einen Drink gegeben, als er in deiner Wohnung danach gefragt hat. Und ich habe ihm geholfen, der Farm zu entgehen. Krummer Mann, du hast ihn in den verwunschenen Brunnen geworfen und du hast ihn in den verwunschenen Brunnen geworfen. Achso, ich habe ihn da hingebracht und ich habe ihn dahin geworfen. Sorry, meine Katze verzählt gerade mit mir. Die hat gerade Mama gesagt, glaube ich. Das Ding ist, also so wie ich das verstanden habe, ist wohl die Standardmethode, wann du Scheiße gebaut hast, dass du in deine Brunne geworfen wirst. Also ist es jetzt nicht hier besonders, keine Ahnung, unmenschlich oder sowas, dann in eine Brunne geworfen zu haben, sondern das ist genau das, was er erwartet hätte. Dass er in den Knast hucken kann. Und mit Zauberei vor Säue, dass er nicht rauskommt oder sowas. Das hat ja die Hexe, die eine Hexe, Auntie Greenleaf, glaube ich, hieße, die hat das gesagt, dass er das machen könnte. Aber das war mir ehrlich gesagt zu unsicher, weil an der rauskommt, geht die Scheiße gerade wieder voll los. Und die ist noch am Leben. Und ein paar andere von ihm und der Jersey Devil und was weiß ich was. Also die wären noch am Leben gewesen. Die hätten ihn irgendwie rauskriegt. So, deshalb habe ich ihn in die Brunne geworfen, weg mit dir. So, du hast dieses Geld beschlagnahmt, während er sich in Gewahrsam befand. Ich habe es beschlagnahmt, so ist das dumm. Dann habe ich getötet und ich weiß nicht, also hätte ich halt nicht machen sollen, würde ich jetzt sagen. Faith, nach dem Kampf mit dem Holzfäller hast du ihr Geld gegeben. Ja, natürlich. Georgie, du hast seinen Laden zusammengeschlagen. Jo. Und ich bereue nichts. Greenleaf, du hast ihre Tür eingetreten. Ja, hopp, ich wollte halt, war halt eilig, ne? Gren, du hast ihm in der Chip-Chip-Bar den Arm abgerissen. Ja, okay. Du hast mit Gren nach Lillys Beerdigung getrunken. Ja. Nerissa, du hast ihr während eurer letzten Unterhaltung eine Zigarette gegeben und du wolltest ihr während eurer letzten Unterhaltung das Band abnehmen. Du hast ihr mehr Geld gegeben, als ihr ein Date vereinbart habt. Also. Ja, Snow. Du hast dir Grains Foto von ihr gezeigt. Tiny Tim, du hast ihn zurückgelassen. Ey, sorry. Ja, hopp. Du hast deinen Käfer angenommen und versprochen, ihn Snow zu geben. Jo. Okay, jetzt der Abspann. Okay. ich weiß nicht, ob ihr jetzt, also ich habe ganz kurz, habe ich so gedacht, ey, du fehlt eigentlich so richtig geiler Endkampf. Wir haben den geilen Endkampf gegen Bloody Mary gehabt. Aber, das Spiel hat nie gesagt, dass es Endkampf gibt oder irgendwie sowas. Sie hat gesagt, es ist eine Noir, also so Detektivstory. Und genau das haben wir gekriegt. Ein super gutes Ende. Und ich glaube sogar, dass mir das gute Ende, also würde ich jetzt mal behaupten, also, ne, das hätte deutlich schlimmer ausgekennen für uns. Ich meine, am Schluss, wir haben alle Leute auf unserer Seite gezogen. Es hätte halt sehen können, dass sie sagen, nö, beim Crooked Man, also also ich kann mir den deutschen Namen nicht so gut merken, beim krummen Mann, die da sagen können, ey Mann, der hat recht, der hat uns aus der Scheiße geholfen. Während wir, die Regierung, das nicht hingekriegt hat, uns zu helfen. Aber okay. Haben wir hingekriegt, das wäre, ich habe keine Ahnung, ob es so irgendwie noch eine Erklärung gibt, ob es so verschiedene Enden gibt. Ich gehe mal davon aus, dass es verschiedene Enden gibt, ne? Und was man alles dann machen müsst, keine Ahnung. Auf alle Fälle, ich stehe gut mit dem Wutzmann, mit dem Wutzemann. Also nicht mit dem Wutzemann, Mann, mit dem Holzfäller. Ich habe immer gemeint, das war der Jägersmann, der da kommt. Aber egal, war wohl der Holzfäller. Also wir stehen gut mit dem Holzfäller. Ich finde, er ist ein guter Kerl. Ne? Ja, die Scheiße von der Vergangenheit, die man, ja, jeder hat Scheiße am Bä. Das wird Hammerhose A, damit man so nicht sofort sieht. So. Oh, ich glaube, ich habe zu viel gelabert. Okay, ihr Leute, dann machen wir hier jetzt mal die offizielle Verabschiedung. Ich sage dann mal Tschüss, bevor ich jetzt kleines Schwarzerett zu spät. Meiner Wolle, Kenner, oh, guck mal da, die Geschichte fortsetzen. Hol dir noch heute eins der Comicbücher. Okay. Meiner Wolle, ne, ich tue jetzt wieder Märchenbuch-Ding mache, wo dann halt jetzt nochmal die ganze freigeschaltete Märchenbücher nochmal vorgelesen wäre. Ansonsten soll es das gewesen sein für The Wolf Among Us. Wie heißt das wieder? Scheiße, das habe ich vergessen. Kacke, wie heißt das, wann es mehrere Bände gibt, nur in Film? Serie. Nee, Staffel. Ah ja, Staffel. Schlackey. Sorry, der Comic hat mich gerade voll rausgebrungen. Staffel 1. Wie gesagt, es war Staffel 2 angekündigt, dann ist Telltale aufgelöst worden, pleitegegangen, wie das nennen wolle. Jetzt gibt's wieder Leute, die unter dem Namen Telltale arbeiten, sagen wir es mal so. Und es gibt da Trailer für Staffel 2. Jetzt ein Trailer, nicht wann es rauskommt, sondern nur, ey, es wird dran geschafft. Also von daher, mal gucken, wann es rauskommt. Dann zocken wir das, denke ich mal. Bis dahin, gehabt euch wohl. Trinke mir Wasser. Ja, das ist immer ein gutes Schlusswort. Ich trinke mal fortfahren, mal gucken, was passiert. Wann jetzt wieder das Menü kommt und dann soll es das vergewetzt sein. Junge, jetzt geht's. Okay, ich kriege gerade den Satz mehr hin. Tschüss.